It's the celebration of the rich cultural heritage of the people of Nigeria's southeast region. The convener, Obiora Okonkwo, who's also the candidate of the Zenith Labour Party in the forthcoming November governorship election, says he hosts thousands of Anambra people to the annual New Yam Festival to promote Igbo culture both at home and abroad.
When I saw Biko, I never like a bachalia. I always like candy. When I knife, Nandina Memma, Gabagon, Fasolai Leo. If it pleases God that I'm elected as the governor of Anambra State under the Zenith Labour Party, with the last party on the ballot paper, I will make sure that I work with all the institutions and all the bodies concerned, starting from the traditional rulers, the town unions, and other socio-cultural groups, and every institution available in Anambra State to make sure that we bring the issue of New Yam Festival to the world and make it one of the biggest cultural events and then tourism calendar in the whole world. I'm going to do it. The much I am doing as an individual is evident in my capacity to do that. So I think that with a bigger platform like a governor, the right policy and the right support to the right people will actually be the game changer.
Other people will neglect the culture and the custodian of their people and start following the white man. But Dikeora knows the importance of culture. That is why every year he will assemble people to give thanks to God. This is harvest season, and that is what we are doing today.
The New Yam Festival celebration for this year is coming at a time when Anambra State is confronting insecurity. But the ZLP candidate and his supporters believe the challenges will be a thing of the past.
I am indeed concerned with the state of affairs in Anambra State, especially with security. But there would have been every reason to say we should not hold this out of fear. But by nature, I am really not one who gives up to fear. But what you can see here is also an occasion to pray to God for security. It's an occasion to pray to God and present to God all our problems and seek for Him to come upon us with solution. Because there is really much we can do at this situation except calling on the Lord.
We are particularly worried. The situation in the country now, particularly Anambra, is not healthy. But we cannot maybe take because of insecurity regime that may have been informed by bad leadership to stop preaching the gospel of our good values. So the issue here is not to challenge the fact that the situation is not in good order, but it is more like saying we cannot take because there are activities of people who are in leadership and they have decided maybe to grow insecurity regime in our state to stop creating platform to tell people to continue living the values for which we are known for and characterized by. So we are troubled. We are troubled, but even at that, in the midst of our troubles and the challenges, we cannot stop saying that this situation is not the best. This is not what we are known for. We are not characterized by killings and all of those. And there has to be a space where this must be said. And this is one of those.
Obiora Okonkwo also believes with a bigger platform like the position of the governor, he can transform Anambra State into a tourist destination and place the New Yam Cultural Festival on the global stage. Chukwebuka Ubodo.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.